How to delete Google account from only one device. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Google account from only one device. If you want to delete your Google account from any specific device while keeping the Google account active in other devices, then here's how you can do it. First of all, you will need to go to the settings of your device, usually represented by the gear icon. Once you reach the settings page, here scroll down and you will find the Google option. The exact steps may vary depending on your Android model. If you are facing trouble in finding the specific option, then you can also use the search bar at the top and there type in the specific setting option. There you will find the option that you are looking for. Once you find the setting option labeled Google, tap on it to open it. Once you open it, you will be taken to this page. Here select your specific Google account and then tap on this Manage Your Google account just below your email. Once you do so, you will be taken to this page. Once reaching to this page, here you will need to swipe to the left and there tap on the Security option. By tapping on Security, now you will be presented with this interface. Here you will need to scroll down until you find Manage All Devices option. Tap on this option. Now, you will be presented with all the devices that you are logged in with the specific Gmail account. Now from here, you will need to find the device that you would like to delete the Google account from. Once you have located the device, tap on it to open it. And once you have opened it, now here in this page, you will find Sign Out option. Tap on this Sign Out option right here and a dialog box will appear. It says once you click on the Sign Out button, this will remove access to your Google account from that specific device. If you are really sure to delete, then tap on this Sign Out option right here. Once doing that, it will take some time and then you can see you have successfully deleted the specific Google account from your specific device, also while remaining active in other devices. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.